The probably easiest way to see the effect of user synchronization on your WordPress website would be if you uncheck any of the actions. You don't want to create users, update users, or delete users. And if you now, for instance, manually run user synchronization until it stops, and then choose to view the results, you can see how WPO 365 processed each user that returned from your query. In this case, you can see that there were many existing domain users, which basically means that WPO found the WordPress counterpart for the Azure AD user. You can also see that for all users the status is logged. It means the user is not created, it's not updated, it's also not deleted. You can also scroll through the results, and here you can see that there's also a new domain user, which basically means WPO 365 found an Azure AD user for which it did not find a WordPress counterpart. And there are others where WPO actually can't decide what the type of user is, but it knows that the user is not maintained by WPO 365. For example, these 3 users, unknown, and they are then skipped. Once you are ready to go live with WPO 365 user synchronization, you can enable it to send you a daily log. You check the box to send the log file, and you can say that it should send the log file to you. Let's click to create, update and delete users one more time. I've checked the option to send me a log file, and I click to save and run user synchronization manually. Now it has stopped, it's finished, and I can have a quick look. I'm using the mail staging feature of WPO 365 here, so no mail is actually being sent, but mails sent are logged. So I view the logs, and here I can see that yes, user synchronization is completed, and I can see that there was one error in reality. I can click to view the results, and here I can click to filter for this one error. And here I can see that there is a user in Azure AD for which WPO 365 could not create the counterpart WordPress user. I can close the view results, and I can have a quick look to check and see if an error has been logged. And yes, I can see that here it could not create a WordPress user. The reason is that the user login would be too long.